campaign flyers. Tonight, a call for a police investigation as angry residents pack a city council meeting demanding action.
7 Action News reporter Erin Baskerville is live in Southfield with the latest. Erin.
Well, everyone I talked to tonight says this is not us, this is not the city of Southfield, and tonight at least one person is now calling for a police investigation.
I certainly had nothing to do with it. I don't believe any of the people that were even on that flyer or anything had anything to do with it either.
What kind of person does this? Who makes this type of flyer?
A coward. A coward.
Accusations and defenses at the Southfield City Council meeting tonight. Controversy surrounding racist flyers circulated to neighbors. The head of the Martin Luther King Task Force is now calling this a dirty political scheme. Is that what you believe, that an African American put this out there?
Well, we're still investigating, but as we investigate, we find more and more evidence that this may be the case.
The flyers urged residents to vote white, also telling voters, let's get the blacks out of Southfield in November. Another showing a photo of Trayvon Martin saying, we will stop thugs like these. State lawmaker Jeremy Moss, also a former city councilman, told 7 Action News this will not divide the city he loves.
There's no doubt that none of the candidates on this flyer endorsed this message. I've served with all 3 of them on the city council here.
Haney wants a police investigation and believes she will soon find out who made these racist flyers. She claims there are federal violations because they were stuffed in mailboxes without postage. Also campaign violations with no ID on those flyers.
We are very concerned, and as I go out into the community yesterday and today, the entire community is absolutely upset about this kind of behavior. We don't want this coming into our area.
And of course, we reached out to all the candidates on those flyers. They tell me they are appalled. As for the meeting, it continues tonight. Public comment just started. For now, we're live in Southfield. Erin Baskerville, 7 Action News.